Hello, Namaste. This video tells you about how to wake up in a yogi way style for better health. Put the legs together, hands together. Chant Omkar or your Ishtadeva. Rub both the palms. Generate heat. Apply on eyes. Observe the heat. Slowly open your eyes with blinking and see both the hands. Now relax your feet. Swing sidewards. Now fold right leg. Lift right hand up. Turn left side. Lie down on your abdomen. Put the legs together, heels together, knees together. Perform Neeralambarasana. This is to activate thyroid glands. Now breathe in, concentrate on upper back. Breathe out, concentrate on lower back. Breathe in, inhale, maximum lung capacity. Exhale, complete, breathe out, concentrate on lower back. Repeat this for 5 to 10 counts. Slowly come to Shavasana. Relax, deep inhale, slow exhale. Observe the change in the breath. Observe the stress strain at the back after performing the Neeralambarasana. Now both the legs together, hands together, ready for Pavana Muktasana. Hold your right knee and breathe out, touch your nose to the knee. Breathe in back, breathe out, touch your nose to the knee. Breathe in back. Breathe out, exhale, breathe in back. Both the legs together, hold left knee. Breathe out up, breathe in back. Breathe out, breathe in. Repeat this for 5 to 10 counts. Initially start with 5, slowly try to reach nearly 20 counts, okay? Both the legs together, perform this with both the legs. Breathe in, exhale, up, try to touch nose in between the knees. Breathe in, breathe out. This is called Pavana Muktasana, bad wind relieving pose, which removes the bad air in the body and also massages your abdomen muscles. Now try to swing. See that your swinging makes you to sit up and also balance on your shoulders when you go back. So try concentrating on this. Okay, this massages your back, which releases the bad air even in the back, in the spine too. Massage sidewards. Relax. Now perform Tanasana. Both the legs together, hands together. Breathe in, right hand up. Stretch up only right hand. Exhale down. Now breathe in. Right leg or left hand up. Exhale down. Breathe in. Right leg down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch left leg. Relax. Breathe in, right leg and right hand stretch. Breathe in, left leg and right hand stretch. Now repeat this with diagonal, right hand and left leg. Again with left hand and right leg, stretch hand up, leg down. Now try with both the hands up, legs down. Feel the stretch at the abdomen, navel. This is very good for activating the nervous system. Now perform Paschimottanasana. Breathe in up, breathe out, exhale down. Try to touch forehead to the knee. Breathe in up, sit straight, exhale down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, exhale. Try to touch forehead to the knee. Breathe in, breathe out. Now relax in Nispand Bhavasana. Spread legs wide. Relax in this position. Nispand Bhavasana is to relax your heart and breathe in deeply. Concentrate on breathe. Deep chest breathing and abdomen breathing. Now both the legs together. Perform Supta Pavanamuktasana. Pavanamuktasana in sitting position. Adjust your body for Pavanamuktasana. Bend right leg. Breathe in, breathe out, touch nose to the knee. Breathe in up, breathe out. Compress the abdomen, lower abdomen. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out, compress your lower abdomen. Again breathe in, deep chest breathing, abdomen, and exhale, complete abdomen. Exhale, complete air out. This releases any bad air in the upper abdomen body. Okay. Both the legs together. Breathe in, breathe out. Touch your nose to the knee, middle of the knees. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Now, after performing these 7 asanas, sit in Sukhasana, wash your face and gargle with water. Now prepare your water in a copper pot before night. Now drink the water without touching the tongue, directly onto the throat without stopping. Okay, fast intake. This is called Ushapanayam, which increases the resistivity of the body. Okay, sit relaxed. Now prepare for the day. Namaste. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.